Hi, my name is Dulce, and as a part of the Radical Walking Tour of Ventura County, I will be doing a presentation about La Colonia. La Colonia represents hope and dreams for the Mexican and Latino communities living here. Although La Colonia has a history of violence and gang activity, that does not stop them from coming in unity and making this place even more better for the future generations. There are a lot of farm working communities living here, and me myself coming from a low-income farm working community called Salinas, this reminds me a lot about it, and I can relate and feel a connection to this specific street, which is Cooper. As you can see behind me, there are a lot of construction workers trying to, in a sense, make this community look better. And we have our own Cooper Street in Salinas, where a lot of farm workers or other raza come here in the morning to get their food, their pan, their coffee at 5 in the morning to come look for work and more job opportunities, which is the sole purpose as to why they came to this country in the first place. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay attentive to the rest of the Radical Walking Tour of Ventura County. Now I'm off to get some panecito.